In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Elementor Navigator. Whether you're an experienced web designer or just starting to explore the world of WordPress website building, the Elementor Page Builder is a tool that many find incredibly useful. Knowing how to use every feature of Elementor effectively can truly elevate the experience, and one such feature is the Navigator. This tool is particularly handy when you want to manage complex page structures or layers effortlessly. Let's dive right in. First, ensure that you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, find the Pages section in the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. This option is your gateway to where all the magic happens. Click on Pages and then select the specific page you'd like to edit or work on with Elementor. This will usually bring you to a page overview where you can see details like the title and date of publication. Click the Edit with Elementor button that you'll find next to or near the page title. Doing so will take you into the Elementor interface, a space where creativity does not have to adhere to the bounds of preset templates. Now that you are in the Elementor workspace, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll notice a thin vertical panel and, within it, several icons. This is your Elementor control panel. The icon resembling a stack of layers represents the Navigator. Clicking on this icon will open the Navigator, and voila, there you have it, a window pop up on the right side of your screen showcasing a neat list of all the elements currently residing on your page. The Navigator is instrumental in helping you manage your page components efficiently. You can move, rename, or locate elements quickly, which is especially useful for intricate designs. For instance, should you have overlapping items or sections buried deep in your layout, the Navigator allows you to click on any item within its list. This automatically highlights the corresponding element on your page. It operates like a GPS system but for your web elements. Remember, if at any point you feel lost or need to focus exclusively on an element, you can collapse and expand sections within the Navigator by clicking the small arrow next to each item. These little icons help keep everything organized and clear, ensuring your design process is as smooth as possible. To wrap up, Elementor's Navigator is your trusted guide, especially when working on complex layouts. The ease with which you can manage page sections and elements using this feature should make your design work substantially more efficient and precise. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful. Feel free to explore further and get comfortable with all the amazing tools Elementor has to offer. Until next time, happy designing!